Hello class. Now today we will start our exercise 2.2. If anyone did not see the previous video, that is properties of whole number, please go through that and watch that, because that properties will help us to solve some problems related to exercise 2.2. Question number first of exercise 2.2, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. It means firstly we have to arrange it into the any order that we want, okay, and after that we will start doing the addition. Okay, now if I am giving you this question simply, so you will start doing the addition like the small classes student. You make the 837 in the first line, then 208 and 363, and after that you are adding them. But that method we will not apply here. So which method we apply? Okay, here at the end we have 7, here we have 8, and here at the end we have 3. See? Okay, now you will check which last digit will give us easy number, like fastest it will add. You may see 7 plus 8, it means its answer is 15. Okay, 7 plus 3, its answer is 10. So which thing is looking like easy? Yes, 7 and 3 both will make 10. So what we will choose? We will choose 837 and 363. What I said? We will choose 837. Firstly we will choose 837, and after that we will choose 363. And what is remaining? This plus 208 is remaining. Okay, so firstly we are adding these two, so we have to put brackets. This kind of thing, which property is showing? Associative property. A B first plus C को लास्ट में ऐड करेंगे. नाउ लास्ट डिजिट 7 plus 3 10, 0, 1 on the carry, here we have 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 0 again on the carry, 0 again on the downside, and 1 is a carry. Okay, 8 9. Okay, 8 9, then 10 11 12. What will come here? 1200 plus the remaining term 208. When you add them here, it is easy. 0 plus 8 8, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, and 1 as it is. This is our answer. Question number B of question number first. We have 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Again we have to check the last digit. It means the ones digit. Okay, which two number will together give us the easiest number, like in the form of 10 20 30, that we will check. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so is it easy to add? Okay, let's check many more. 2 plus 8 10. Yes, these two are doing the pairing, so we will add this number and this number first. And the last 3 plus 7 is also giving us 10, so these two will go at the end. Okay, what I said, firstly which number we will take? 1962, after that 1538, last में which number is remaining? 453 plus 647. Okay, इन दो को सॉल्व करेंगे और इन दो को सॉल्व करेंगे, तो क्या लगा लें? ब्रैकेट दोनों के लिए, ताकि हमको याद रहे कि हमको इन दोनों को साथ में करना है और इन दोनों को साथ में करना है. ओके, लास्ट डिजिट 8 plus 2 10, 0 नीचे and 1 on the carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 1 downside and 1 is on the carry. 9 plus 1, 10 and 10 plus 5, 15. Now 1 is again on the carry. 1, 2 and 3, it will come 3500 plus another side. 7 plus 3, 10, 1 on the carry. 5 plus 1, 6 and 4, it will give us 10, 0 downside and 1 on the carry. 4 plus 1, 5 and 6, it will give us 11. Okay. After this, when we add them, our answer is 4600. Indian system, we have to put their comma. This is the answer of second, 4600. Question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. It means in this question we have to do the multiplication for the product, but according to rearrangement. It means same as firstly we will check which number give us easiest number. Okay. First is 2 multiplied by 1768. It will multiply by 50. So check it. If I started 2 multiply by this number 1768, so we have to go in the side because this is the bigger number. It will can't directly multiply. Okay. So can we multiply 50 and 20? This 2 and 50 can we multiply? Yes, because 50 twos will give us 100. So firstly we will take these 2 and 50. 2 multiply by 50. And one term is also remaining, that is 1768. It will come at the end. Now which 2 we are multiplying? 2 and 50. So firstly we will put into the bracket. Which property is this? Associative property. 52s are 100 multiply by 1768. Now we have to multiply 100 and this term. Okay, just ignore the 0 term and 1 का multiply करेंगे 1768 में. We will multiply 1 and 1768. So again we have 1768. And how many 0 in the 100? 2 0. That will come as it is. Now according to Indian system we will start putting commas. Our answer is 1,76,800. After this, question number B of question number 2. It's say us 4 multiply by 166 and it will also multiply by 25. If I started 4 and 166, so I have to go in the side in the rough column. So check it which number is directly given us the easiest number and they directly multiply. So 25 fours are 100. 25 and 4 when we will multiply, it will give us 100. So we will start it through the 25 and 4. So which number I said first? 4 and 25, and the remaining is 166. Which two are multiplying first? 4 and 25. So bracket 25 fours are 100. This will multiply by 166. Now we will just ignore 00. We will multiply 1 and 166. So it will give us 166 and 00 as it is. Now according to Indian system we will put 166. Okay. According to Indian system we will put here comma and this is our answer. So B answer is 16,600. Question number C. 8 multiply by 291 multiply by 125. Okay. अब these all term, these remaining two term 291 and 125 both are looking same. So we have to check. Okay. 8 1 is last digit we will check. 8 1 is 8. But 8 5s are here when we multiply 8 and 5 it will give us 40. 8 5s are 40. So when we multiply 8 and 5 these this together will give us at the end 0. So we will multiply 8 and 125 first. Okay, we will multiply any number, but we want the easiest number that will help us to find the answer earlier. So 8 and 125. What is the remaining term? 291. So firstly 8 and 125 will comes first. So that's why we will put here bracket. 8 5s are 40, 4 on the carry. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0 नीचे, 2 on the carry. 8 1 is 8 plus 2 10. It means it's give us 8 multiplied by 125 will give us 1000, and this will multiply by 291. Again 30 is there, so we will just ignore 30. 291, 1 will multiply by 291, it will give us 291, and the remaining 30 comes as it is. So according to Indian system we have to put comma, and this is our answer, 2,91,000. Question number D is 625 multiplied by 279 multiplied by 16. Same as starting 2 is looking same. So firstly we will check their last digit. Okay, last digit is 5, here last digit is 9, and here last digit is 6. So 5 9s are, we will start from the first. 5 9s are is 45, and 5 6 are is 30. अब 0 किस टर्म में मिल रहा है? 45 में मिल रहा है या 30 में मिल रहा है? Yes, we have 0 in the term 30, so we will take this 5 and 6 term. Okay, 5 and 6 term, it means 5 and 6 term is 625, and it will multiply by 60, and the remaining is 279. Now you can see, if you learn the table of 16, you can directly multiply, but most of the student will again check the answer, it is right or not. So I am going in the rough. 625 will multiply by 16. Okay, 6 5s are 30, 3 on the carry. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 1 on the carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. Ones place cross. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6 are 6. 0 as it is. 5 and 5 0, 1 on the carry. 7 plus 1 8, and 2 10, 1 on the carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So it will give us 10,000. So on the place of bracket we have to put, after doing the multiplication, 10,000, and it will multiply by 279. Now here we have 4 zeros, so ignore this 4 0. 1 will multiply by 279, it will give us 279, and the remaining 4 0 will come as it is. Now according to Indian system we will start putting comma, and this is our answer, 27,90,000. Okay, this is the D portion. E of question number 2. It say as 285 will multiply by 5, and it also multiply by 60. So again we have to check the last digit. 5 5s are 25, and 5 6 are 5 zeros, again 0. So instead of multiplying bigger number to bigger number, so can we multiply bigger number to smaller number? Same is there. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, so it will give us around 300. So we will take this 5 and 60. Okay, earlier. So after taking 5 and 60 first, the remaining will go last, that is 285. Okay, these two will do first. Okay, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, it will multiply by 285. ओके, ध्यान से बेटा, है ना. हेयर वी हैव 2 0, सो 2 0 को अभी के लिए इग्नोर करते हैं. ठीक है, 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 5s are 3 5s are 15, 1 on the carry, याद रखना कितना कैरी है 1. 3 8s are 24 and what was remaining 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, 2 on the carry. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, it will give us 8. And how many remaining 0? 2 0. So here after putting Indian system comma, 85,500 is our answer. F 125 will multiply by 40 and it will multiply 8 and the last it will multiply by 25. In this question we have 4 terms, so we will do the pairing of 2 and 2. Okay. Now previously we know 125 and 8 will multiply and its answer is 1000. So we will take 125 and 8 first and after that this 40 and 25 will go. So let's see what happened. Okay, we will multiply 125 and 8 first, so it will come in the bracket. After this 40 and 25 will multiply. Okay, already we know after doing the multiplication 125 and 8 it will give us 1000. Now it will multiply by 40 and 25. So यहाँ पे 0 है तो 0 को अभी के लिए छोड़ते हैं. 4 5s are 20, 0 नीचे, 2 on the carry. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 10 और छोड़ के क्या आए थे एक 0. Okay, now it means we have to multiply 1000 and 1000. Its answer, when we multiply 1 1 is 1. Here we have 3 0, here we have 3 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many 0 we have to put? 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. According to Indian system we will put comma. So its answer is 10 lakh. Now here we completed question number 2. Question number 3 said us find the value of the following. It means we have to see the question and after that we have to find the value. We have to find the answer. Question is 297 will multiply by 17 and the result of this plus into 297 multiply by 3. इट मीन्स इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और दोनों के आंसर को क्या करना है ऐड. आफ्टर डूइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी हैव टू ऐड दैम. चलो देखते हैं. इट मीन्स इन दोनों को पहले और इन दोनों को लास्ट में. चलो तो इन दोनों के उसमें ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे और यहाँ पर इन दोनों को लेकर क्या लगा देंगे ब्रैकेट. 297 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 17 प्लस 297 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. अच्छा, नाउ before doing the multiplication can we check for one more time? Okay, 297 multiply by 17 plus 297 multiply by 3. When we see it on the both bracket, in the both bracket we have 297. अच्छा, दोनों के पास से 297 ले लेंगे. अच्छा, दोनों के पास से मैं क्या ले रही हूँ 297. ये लिया मैंने 297 दोनों के पास से बाहर. क्या लिया बाहर. तो पहले वाले ब्रैकेट में अब मैं क्या लगाऊंगी सिर्फ एक ब्रैकेट. दो ब्रैकेट के प्लेस पर ओनली वन ब्रैकेट आई विल पुट. ओके, इन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग. इन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट व्हेन वी रिमूव 297 ओनली 17 इज रिमेनिंग. 17 प्लस यहाँ पे प्लस था तो प्लस आएगा, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं आएगा. मल्टीप्लाई वाला टर्म को तो हमने कहाँ कर दिया 297, मल्टीप्लाई को हमने कहाँ कर दिया बाहर को बाहर. अब इस वाले नेक्स्ट वाले ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा था 3. ओके, सो 297 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 17 प्लस 3 20. ओके, 20 में 1 0 है, 1 0 को अभी के लिए इग्नोर करते हैं. 2 7s are 14, 1 on the carry. 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 9 नीचे, 1 on the carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Here lastly we have 0, so 0 will come as it is 1 0 and answer is 5940 of question number 3rd A. B 54,279 multiply by 92 plus 8 will multiply by 54,279. So we will take starting 2 in the bracket plus just in the middle and the last 2 in the bracket, like in this form. Okay, so 54,279 multiply by 92 and 8 will multiply by 54,279. Now you may check in the both bracket which value is common. दोनों ब्रैकेट में ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू है जो दोनों ब्रैकेट में आ रही है? दोनों ब्रैकेट में आ रहा है 54,279. तो दोनों ब्रैकेट से 54,279 को हमने क्या कर लिया? बाहर. आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन we will start in the first bracket 92 is remaining, plus will come inside the bracket and here we have multiplication because 54,279 का क्या हो रहा था? मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था, तो उसके साथ में मल्टीप्लाई भी बाहर जाएगा. And 92 in the second bracket what will remaining here? 8. Okay, 54,279 remain same and 92 plus 8 will give us 100. After doing the multiplication 54,279 one is same as 54,279 और 100 के double zero as it is. From the Indian system we will start putting comma and this is our answer. 54,27,900 is our answer. Question number C, 81,265 will be multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 will multiply by 69. This is your homework. Okay beta. Firstly we have to put the first bracket and here second bracket. In the both bracket one value is common, that is 81,265. तो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो 81,265 मल्टीप्लाई को हम कहाँ ले लेंगे? बाहर. अब सबसे पहले वाले ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? 169 और क्या आएगा? माइनस 169 माइनस 69. सो आफ्टर डूइंग द सब्ट्रैक्शन वी हैव 100. ब्रैकेट विल गिव अस ओनली 100. सो 100 का मल्टीप्लाई होगा किस में से? बाहर वाली टर्म में से. सो आंसर क्या आएगा? 81,265,00. दिस यू विल डू. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर D is 3,845 will multiply by 5 and it will multiply by 782. You can see in the D question we have 3 and last we have 3 digit. So firstly we will start putting bracket. So first 3,845 multiply by 5 multiply by 782 plus 769 multiply by 25 multiply by 218. अच्छा, in the both bracket we don't have any common term. So firstly we will make the common term. अच्छा, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करके हमें कुछ भी कॉमन टर्म नहीं मिलेगी, तो हम किसके टुकड़े करेंगे? 25 के. 25 कैसे आता है? 25 आता है 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ 769 आई विल 769 multiply by 5 into 5 on the place of 25. So it will look like 83845 multiply by 5 multiply by 782 plus 769 as it is. On the place of 25 we will write 5 into 5 multiply by 280. अच्छा, अभी बाकी की टर्म आगे वाले टर्म को छोड़ रही हूँ लिखने के लिए, बाद में लिखूंगी मैं. सिर्फ एक चीज़ बतानी है, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. अगर मैं 769 का मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट वाले 5 में करती हूँ तो ध्यान से देखना. 5 9s are 45, 4 ऑन द कैरी. 5 6 are 30, 30 प्लस 4 34, 4 नीचे 3 ऑन द कैरी. 5 7s are 35 प्लस 3 38. अच्छा, यहाँ पर हमको मिला 3845. अच्छा, पहले वाले ब्रैकेट में भी 3845 है क्या? Yes, in the first bracket we also have 3845. So इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई हो चुका है, तो रिमेनिंग टर्म कौन कौन सी बची, ये लास्ट वाली, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 218। सो पहले वाले ब्रैकेट की टर्म को भी वैसा का वैसा लिख लेते हैं। बेटा हो सकता है आपको ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा समझ में नहीं आए, तो इस क्वेश्चन को वापस से देखना, 2 से 3 बार देखना, तब अपने आप आपको आ जाएगा। ओके, अब देखो दोनों ब्रैकेट में अगर हम चेक करते तो यहाँ पर 3845, यहाँ पर भी 3845, यहाँ पे भी 5 का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, यहाँ पर भी किसका मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, 5 का। तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, 3845 को ब्रैकेट से बाहर ले लेती हूँ, तो ये लिया 3845 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, ब्रैकेट से बाहर लिया, तो सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा है, 782, ये 2 है ना बेटा, सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा है, 782, फिर क्या आएगा प्लस, और यहाँ लास्ट वाले ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा था, 218। सो बाहर वाले दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेते हैं, 5 5 ज़ार 25, 5 नीचे, 2 ऑन द कैरी, 5 4 ज़ार 20, 20 प्लस 2, 5 4 ज़ार 20, 20 प्लस 2 22, 2 नीचे एंड 2 ऑन द कैरी, 5 8 ज़ार 40, 40 प्लस 2 42, 2 नीचे एंड 4 ऑन द कैरी, 5 3 ज़ार 15, 15 प्लस 4 19। बेटा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप मैंने जैसा मल्टीप्लाई करा ऐसा ही करना है, आप साइड में भी जाके कर सकते हो, ठीक है। नाउ इन द ब्रैकेट वी हैव एडिशन टर्म, तो एडिट कर लेते हैं, 8 प्लस 2 10, 0 नीचे 1 ऑन द कैरी, 8 9 10, 0 नीचे 1 ऑन द कैरी, 7 8 9 10। नाउ वी हैव 19,225 will multiply by 1000. So when we multiply it, our answer is 19,225 as it is, and the remaining 30 here. From the Indian system, we will start putting comma. This look like this, and this is our answer. In the next video, I will show you the remaining questions of exercise 2.2. Thank you class. Have a nice day.